In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email sequence in Mailerlite. We'll walk through signing in, building a brand new automation from scratch, choosing the right trigger, adding your first email, and saving your work. By the end, you'll have a clear framework for building a reliable sequence you can expand over time. Start by signing in to your Mailerlite account. On the login page, choose the Google option to authenticate. Select the Google account you use for Mailerlite, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal. Mailerlite updates its interface from time to time, but the core flow remains the same. From the dashboard, head to Automations. This is where all your sequences live. Click Create to begin a new automation, then choose Start from Scratch. Give your automation a clear descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later. Think in terms of purpose, like Welcome Series or Post-Purchase Follow-Up. Naming well helps immensely when you have multiple sequences running. Next, click Start Building. The first thing you'll set is your trigger, the event that starts the sequence for each subscriber. Common triggers include when a subscriber joins a specific group or completes a form. Pick the option that matches your use case and be sure the right group or form is selected so the correct audience enters the sequence. With your trigger set, click the plus icon to add the next step. Choose Send Email. Now configure that email. First, add an internal email name. This is just for your reference inside Mailerlite, so make it meaningful and consistent with the rest of your workflow. Add your subject line next. Keep it clear, benefit-driven, and concise so subscribers immediately understand the value. Avoid spammy words and use a tone that matches your brand. If you use personalization, make sure your data is clean so the subject renders properly. Now design the actual email. You can select a template or build with the editor. Keep your branding consistent, lead with a strong headline, and guide readers to one primary call to action. Break up text with short paragraphs, use images thoughtfully, and make sure links are easy to tap on mobile. When the content looks good, review spacing and alignment for a clean, professional feel. When you're satisfied, click Save. From here, you can repeat the same process, adding additional steps to expand your sequence as needed. Mapping your message flow beforehand will help you keep the sequence coherent and focused. That's it. You've signed in, created a new automation, set a trigger, added and designed your first email, and saved your work. Thanks for watching and happy building.